I'm not afraid of heights. You're afraid of heights. I always get way too emotional when it comes to saying goodbye. Let's see if this one is better. No. Today is our last day here. Today is gonna be... We're gonna go to see a couple museums, then maybe go to the beach, and I think that's it. Oh, and there's a special place there. We're gonna go for dinner. Okay, so yeah, let's start the day with a bed cushion. And we're back to the lighthouse, and it still amazes me every time how clear the water is here compared to Ubatuba and other places that I've been. It's so beautiful. And now we're gonna go up to the lighthouse to see the view and all of that. I'm so out of shape. I'm so out of shape. It's windy. Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. I'm not afraid of heights. You're afraid of heights. So again with the old places. This lighthouse here was first built in 1698 and the current version was inaugurated in 1839. The more you know. But the beer here is way too expensive. It's crazy to think that maybe, a few hundred years from now, there's gonna be a museum like this about our current way of living, maybe our space exploration, and people from then are gonna think our stuff is so old and crappy. Finally, we're going to go to the beach because we haven't been to the beach yet, so yeah, it's gonna be good to feel that cold water refreshing our bodies. So the only thing that's kind of bad about this beach is that there's no shadows, there's no trees, there's nothing like that. So people actually rent shadows. It's such a rocky beach that you kind of have to stay here close to the sand. So that's kind of sad. Just got back. I'm gonna take a shower now, and then the part that I'm most excited about, we're gonna have a moqueca. There's like this amazing view from the whole bay. So yeah, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and I need a shower. Last day, so might as well dress up a little. So now off to Cantinho da Jo, which means like Jo's place, but in a more cozy way, I think.
Com a cabeça sangrando, assim. Fudido, porra! Fudido!
Easily one of the best meals I had on this trip, if not the best. So yeah, I really do recommend this place. If you're ever in Salvador, come eat here, really. So now it's time to pack our bags, because tomorrow I'm going back home just for a little while. The idea was to travel in the whole northeast side of Brazil, but I won't be doing that now. I'll explain later in another video. But yeah, and I'm terrible with goodbyes. I always get way too emotional when it comes to saying goodbye. So yeah.